How to fix your Teams camera not working. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check the camera hardware, ensure that your camera is connected properly and not physically blocked. The other thing you can do is close the other applications that may be using camera like Zoom, Skype, or Chrome. You want to simply go ahead and ensure that camera access is also allowed for your Microsoft Teams in your privacy settings, by the way. And in Teams settings, you can also choose the correct camera from the camera drop down. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and clear the temporary cache of your application, or even update your Microsoft Teams application to the latest version. If you haven't already installed any camera drivers, simply go ahead and update it. And you can also try restarting your device or even testing your camera. If none of it works, simply go to the aks.ms/teams help. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.